So here we are. I assembled the PCBs, soldered the matrices and the complementary components on them, and here's another type of matrix because I messed up with one, soldered the chip other way around and it's permanent now, and now I use this as replacement. I wired everything up. The schematic you can find on the website electronicslovers.com is also included. And as Arduino, I used an Arduino Nano because it's easy to wire up, as you can see. And I am using an external power source because the matrices are loading a lot of current, and around 500 milliamps, and Arduino cannot supply it, so I'm using this external power source, which I turn on. Now I will plug in the Arduino, and we can see the scrolling text